Hare Krishna. Now we are going to visit the temple of Mata Sita. Here Rakshasa Ravana was keeping her, and Hanumanji, he came to see her and deliver the message from Lord Ramachandra, and Sita Devi replied that she's waiting for Ramachandra to save her. And this beautiful temple also contains the footprints of Hanumanji.
Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram.
And just few people who know that there are real traces of Hanumanji here on the rocks, but many people, they whenever in trouble they ask for Hanumanji to help, or if they lost something they ask Hanumanji to help to find this item or whatever it is. And Gopakumara from the book of Sanatana Goswami, he was traveling around the universes and he visited Ayodhya, and he also met Hanumanji, and he was so amazed by the devotion and love of Hanumanji to the Lord Ramachandra, because he saw that Hanumanji was ready to serve Lord Ramachandra 24 hours daily. He was ready to do whatever he wanted, the way he wanted. He was the real servant, the real mood of a devotee, which Gopakumara was also absorbing. And from the pages of Sanatana Goswami's book, we can also get this mood. What is real devotion is to please the object of our love. Jai Sitaram, Jai Lakshman, Hanuman.
Jai Ram, Jai